This is SPY on the 5-minute time frame. I'm going to show you the channel we're in for Monday. We ended the week at $446.81, down nearly 0.5%. The 52-week low is $348.11. The 52-week high, $459.44. To the north side from where we are takes us back to the middle of the trend or the mean, and that is 447.97. Above that and at another level of resistance takes us to roughly 451.89. A gap forms to the upside at roughly 453.45. 3 standard deviations is 453.89. 4 standard deviations is roughly 455.83, and that gap closes out at 456.41. To the south side at negative 2 standard deviations takes us to roughly 444.06. Another level of support is 442.06 and 440.08. If we hit this level, or this level, I will anticipate a bounce to the upside. Let me show you XOM. We ended the week at 107.42, up 0.28%. The 52-week low, $83.89. The 52-week high, $119.92. The 1-year price target on TradingView is $121.52, which represents a 13% increase from where we are right now. To the north side from where we are takes us back to the middle of the trend, and in this situation, resistance at 108.45. If we hit this area, I will anticipate the stock to go down, maybe up a little bit sideways as we clear this area. To the north side of that is 2 standard deviations at 110.19, 111.09, and 112. If we hit this channel, or this channel, I will anticipate a pullback as people take their profits and they run. This is resistance, another level of resistance, and another level of resistance. To the south side, negative 2 standard deviations is 106.67, 105.76. A gap forms to the south side at 105.25. Negative 4 standard deviations is roughly 104.88, and that gap closes out at 104.25. And the RSI is at 25. We are at a key level. And finally, I'm going to go over PayPal. Thank you to Murat for pointing out this stock. He says that the market is irrational, and he thinks that it's still a profitable business, a growth business, and there is huge opportunity to grow. So we ended the week at 62.75, down more than 2%. To the north side from where we are takes us to roughly 64.60. The next level of resistance is 66.48. A gap forms to the upside at 66.91. And at 4 standard deviations, roughly 68.43, that gap shoots all the way up and closes out at 73.21. To the south side, negative 2 standard deviations is 60.77. The middle of the trend is 60.77 to about 74. This is an approximate number here. Oh, let's just say, let me do that again here. 60.74. I'll go with that. And the next target and a level of support is 57.03, 55.09, and 53.20. Note this gap that has closed to the downside at 70.63. This one closed out at 73.98, 75.32, 73.50. PayPal has a ton of landmines in this stock, a lot of gaps to the upside and a lot of gaps to fill to the downside as well. And the 1-year price target is now $85.71. That represents a 36% return on your money. Should we hit that level, that would be an amazing return. This is the target. We are not in that channel. I just want you to be aware of that. And this is an old target that has been dropped. The old target when I looked at the stock back in July was $89.74. And that does it for me. If there is a stock that you would like me to go over, please let me know and have a great trading week.